Hello students, welcome to Barakpur Senate Public School. আমি মৌমিতা ঘোষ দস্তিদার তোমাদের জন্য আবার আরেকটি নতুন ভিডিও নিয়ে এসেছি, যেই ভিডিওর মাধ্যমে আমি তোমাদের মানুষের মুখ্য অর্গান এবং তার বিভিন্ন কার্যকারিতা সম্বন্ধে বিশদে বলবো। I will explain you about the major organs and their function in human body. Skin, which is the outermost covering of human body, that is made up of three layers: epidermis, dermis and subcutaneous layers. Skin protects the body from injury and infection. It also acts as a sensory organ for pressure, touch, heat and cold and others. Another major organ, that is stomach. Stomach is a large J-shaped sac, is about 1 foot in length and 4.5 inches in breadth. It has three parts: upper cardiac area, middle fundus area and the lower narrow pyloric part. The lining of the stomach contains the two kinds of glands, that is the oxyntic gland and peptic gland. Oxyntic gland secretes HCl. These juice actually kill the bacteria, and peptic gland secrete pepsin, which converts the protein into peptones. Liver and the pancreas are two important digestive glands associated with digestive tract. Liver, it is a dark brownish colored organ situated at the right ventral side of the upper abdomen, just below the diaphragm. Liver produces bile. Bile contains no digestive enzyme, but bile contains the bile salt, which emulsifying fat into microscopic droplets, so that fat digesting enzyme lipases may break the substrate easily. Another major important organ, that is pancreas. It is a leaf-like creamy white gland situated below and behind the stomach, and is extended from the duodenum to another part. The pancreas produces pancreatic juice, which contains different kinds of enzymes. The enzyme pancreatic amylase, which converts starch to maltase, and trypsin, which converts protein to polypeptide, and another enzyme pancreatic lipase, which converts fat to the fatty acid and glycerol. Spleen. Spleen is situated below the diaphragm on the far left side of the body. Spleen maintains immunity of the body by destroying germs by T cell and B cell. Spleen also synthesizes RBC and it controls blood pressure. Another important organ of human body is kidney. A pair of kidneys, left and right, is situated in the position abdomen on either side of vertebral column. The left kidney is situated slightly higher than the right. They are bean-shaped structure. It is a major organ of the excretory system. Kidney, what are the functions of kidney? The excretion of nitrogenous waste like urea. Kidney regulates the water contents of the body, that is osmoregulation, and it also regulates blood pressure and helps to the formation of RBC. Another major organ, that is intestine. It is extended from stomach to anus and is divided into the two main parts. First part, the small intestine, and the last part is the large intestine. Small intestine is responsible for absorption of digested food, and the large intestine for temporary storage and the unabsorbable food and formation of feces and its expulsion. Heart, which lies in the middle region of thoracic cavity, slightly inclined towards left. The heart is covered by pericardium. It consists two auricles and two ventricles. Auricles or atria are the receiving and the ventricles are distributing part. The contraction of heart is known as systole and expansion is known as diastole. Heart is a muscular pumping organ and is responsible for the circulation of the blood. Another important organ of human body is lungs. Lungs are a pair of thin-walled air-breathing sacs which lie in the thoracic cavity bound by ribs and intercostal muscle. Each lung lies in a cavity known as pleural cavity, lined by pleural membrane. Lungs are breathing organs of the body and they help in respiration. During respiration, we inspire, it takes as an oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide by expiration. Central nervous system of human body is made up of two major organs. One is brain, another is the spinal cord. Brain. Brain lies within the cranium in brain box, which is made up of three major parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. Brain performs different kinds of the major functions. It's the site of intelligence and thinking. It is the cardiac and respiratory center. It is the reflex center and different kinds. Another major organ of the central nervous system is spinal cord. It is originating from medulla oblongata. It passes through the cavity of vertebral column up to the end of the body from the dorsal side. Most of the reflex actions of the body is performed by the spinal cord. Brain is connected to the various organs via spinal cord. Reproductive system of human being. In male, chief reproductive organ is testis and in female, chief reproductive organ is ovary. In male, one pair of testes is a small ball-like structure found in a sac-like structure known as scrotum in lower abdomen of males. It is formed of many and coiled seminiferous tubules. Major function of testes is to produce sperm. Testes also secrete male gonadal hormone testosterone. Another chief reproductive organ, that is ovary. A pair of small glandular structures lies in the lower abdomen on either side of the uterus and held in the position by ligament. Ovaries are the primary reproductive organs of female. From the germinal epithelium, it produces ova and one matured ovum per month is released from the ovary. Ovary produces ovum. It also produces three main hormones: estrogen, progesterone and relaxin, which control and maintain ovulation, pregnancy and childbirth. Thank you students for watching this video. Stay safe and stay healthy.